Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits shake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, and 3/4 cup of cold milk. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and quick, ensuring your biscuits turn out perfectly light and fluffy every time. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, add the cold butter pieces. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Finally, pour in the cold milk, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your biscuits tough. It's time to shape and bake your biscuits. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently knead it 5 to 6 times, just enough to bring it together. Pat the dough to about 3/4 of an inch thick. Use a biscuit cutter or a glass to cut out your biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious, homemade biscuits are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like butter, jam, or a savory gravy. They are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a side with dinner. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh for up to 2 days. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.